Welcome back here with us on Trading Hour. It is time to talk commodities, and it's the rising mercury that is dominating headlines in the commodity universe of late. Let's go across to Manisha for the latest. Manisha, either it's China or it's this rising mercury. So you tell us what's the latest on the temperature?
Well, I can say this much, that the heat is definitely on right now, whether it's on asset classes, commodities, or the weather on that side. And we have seen Feb come out as the hottest since 1901. It was warmest February in Delhi after 122 years there. And currently as well, when you look at the weather temperatures, we are 3 to 11 degrees above normal for various states. And that's exactly the kind of advisory the IMD and SkyMet are putting out as well. So March and April, we are looking at higher temperatures here. For Northwest as well, it was the hottest in 122 years as we have seen, and there are concerns coming in from labor, construction, all of those sectors as well. So Feb also has recorded 68% of a rainfall deficit, and anti-cyclone over Arabian Sea has been one of the reasons that you have seen the temperatures continue to increase. The markets also are looking at 2023, which is expected to mark an end of La Nina event. What does La Nina mean? Well, it means that you have the above surface temperature on the sea slightly cooler than normal. That is what gives you breeze and gets you colder temperatures. And this is an event that we have seen for last 3 years. Pardon me, but that seems to be changing now. And El Nino will mean that you have warmer temperatures, and that will see increase in temperatures coming in there. So day and night temperatures may remain above normal is the IMD forecast now coming in for the month of March. They also are anticipating scattered rainfall, and that could temperatures under control for some of those days there. IMD also goes on to say that you are going to expect 3 to 9% of temperatures on the higher side, and that they will provide color-coded heat wave warnings from 1st of March, which we have seen already start to come in there. SkyMet also has been talking the same thing, and they also have warned that it is going to be about states like Gujarat, Rajasthan and Vidarbha, which could be looking at 40 degrees in sense of temperatures in the second week of March itself. So March, April, May and June, before the monsoons really begin, it is going to be a very harsh summers, as to say. The high temperatures also are giving a lot of crop concerns right now, which may see an impact in sense of deterioration in output as well as yield there. The important crops that we're looking at right now, one is wheat, the other is mustard and chana as well. These are the standing crops, and there could be some impact of the harvest and these crops coming into the markets also. Then the anticipation also of higher consumption of electricity for air conditioning and irrigation is something that the street is as of now anticipating and putting much higher numbers for that as well. So just to explain on what heat wave really means, when you look at plains, if it is mercury above 40 degrees or 4.5 degrees above normal, it is called a heat wave. When you're talking about hill stations or mountains, mercury above 30 degrees will tell you that. And when you talk about coastal areas, anywhere temperature which exceeds 37 degrees is called a heat wave. And that's exactly what we are anticipating for the month of March.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for getting us all of the latest on what the summer season is likely to look like. So in addition to an early onset, you're also likely to get a severe summer this time around. In fact, we've been talking to a lot of consumer companies, and we do have a very special chat with the management of Crompton Consumer also lined up for you on the show. So stay tuned. We spoke to them about what the demand is looking like in this situation. So we will bring you that. But for now, we have to get into a short break. It is a 78-point cut on the Nifty. We'll discuss the market technicals with Vishal Malkan when we come back.